The housing market is showing signs of stabilizing. In fact, the Northeast Florida Association of Realtors says it is shifting toward affordability. Joining me now is Mark Rosner, the president of the Northeast Florida Association of Realtors. Good morning. Thanks for being here. We appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.
So this kind of slight shift that we're seeing, and I know that these are sort of monthly numbers, to what do you attribute that?
Well, part of it is the stabilization, right? We couldn't keep up with that frenzied market that we were
crazy.
in.
It was crazy a couple of months ago. Yeah.
Absolutely, right? And that's unsustainable. And so we saw the median price kind of stabilize a little bit. Interest rates took a jump because of what's happened there. And so that has kind of dampened demand a little bit. And so we are seeing some stabilization of the marketplace.
So I wanted to, so you provided some fantastic information when it comes to kind of the average price that homes are selling in, right? County by county. So I want to show our viewers that information just because everybody wants to know what they think their home will sell for around now, right? So that said, and based on this information, what do you think from what you're seeing now in this shift it means for people who are trying to buy a home?
The great news for those that are buying is there's more inventory to choose from today, right? The median price has leveled off since March, up a little bit, down a little bit every month, but it's leveled off. And now we have almost double the amount of listings than we had back in March. So there's much more to choose from.
Why do you think that's the case?
I think it's a combination of demand lessening over time and sellers realizing that this is a great time to put their home on the market.
That their home is still valued high as a result of what we saw over the last year or so.
Absolutely.
During the pandemic.
Absolutely.
And what about if you're selling? Good time, bad time?
It is a good time. You have to be a little bit more realistic about your list price to make sure that you're attracting the most possible buyer pool. And condition is important. Buyers are still looking for turnkey properties.
So properties that they don't have to put a lot of work on into, right? And redo things.
Exactly.
Right? They want to just move in right away.
Exactly.
So that said, what's the average amount of time, would you say? I know that you provided us Duval, Clay, St. John's, Nassau, and Putnam County, that homes are staying on the market before selling.
It's typically somewhere between 28 and 32 days, which is still very, very fast based on historical standards. But there was a time during the peak of the frenzy that we were looking at 10 days on the market. So that too has stabilized, which is good news for buyers and sellers. So
what are you anticipating? I mean, the Fed has signaled that it is going to continue to raise interest rates until things level out when it comes to the economy. I mean, that said, what are you kind of expecting over the next couple of months?
Well, I think most of the mortgage rates have taken that into consideration over the last couple of months. So we saw a huge spike originally when the interest rate went up, mortgage rates went up, but now they've stabilized in that 5 to 6% range, which again is historically a really good rate, but obviously quite a bit higher than where it had been during the pandemic.
So if you're thinking about selling, is now the time or should you wait?
No, don't wait. Now's the time to sell.
And what about buying?
Absolutely. Things are not going to get any cheaper. It's time to buy.
Good point. Good point. Is there a particular county or neighborhood that you think is going to see really a big difference or has seen one?
Well, I think you can look at some of the numbers county by county. St. John's County is just on fire, and their average price is over $550,000. So, you know, that creates its own kind of challenges for affordability. Yet Putnam County, the next county over, is seeing some really good values. So if you're not stuck on a location and are flexible there, I think you can find a home that fits your needs.
Mark, thank you for your time this morning. I
Thank
think
you very
great
much.
information for our viewers. We appreciate it.
Thank you.